Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create charity event style with the event listing theme that we have. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started with it. So the requirements are you will have to have the event listing theme that we have released recently and the latest version for it. And we will require two plugins. Okay. Obviously, we will require WP Event Manager. Without that, we will require two extra plugins. So let's go to the plugin section and I'm going to show you which plugin we need. Here you will need to search for one-click demo import. Okay. And from here, you will have to install and activate this plugin over here, this one-click demo import by OCDI. Okay. Go ahead and install and activate this one. The second plugin that you will need is Elementor. Okay. You don't need the pro version. The free version will work just fine, but if you have pro, that's like a plus point. But go ahead and install Elementor if you haven't already. It will come handy later on when we go to next steps. So when we are done with these steps, like once you have like installed the two plugins, under like appearance, you will find import demo data. Okay, over here you can come. It will show you the event listing theme is activated, right? And if you scroll down a little bit, you will find all the different child themes that you can import with one click. So we're gonna install the charity one. So there is. And if you want to like preview the theme before you install it, if you want to take a look at like how it looks or how it feels with the rest of the website, you can do that as well. From this link over here, it will take you to a fully fledged website in our demo site where you can play around with the theme itself. Okay, but coming straight to the point, if you want to import or like import the child theme in the site itself, you can click on this import data button. Okay, and it will take you to this pre-flight check where it will show you with the requirements. So like I said, Elementor, we will need that because the front page, the layout you see over here is built on Elementor. Okay, I'll explain to you why and what's the benefit of it, but later on. Over here you will find some suggested plugin. Feel free to use them if you like, but it's not required. When you're done over here, you can click on continue and import. So in this page, give it a few seconds. It will go ahead like import everything for you, not only the layout, some demo events for you as well to take a look at. So when we're done, we can just go and visit the site. Over here you will need to do like some post installation steps, just two steps actually. First, obviously, organize your menu. Then secondly, you will see like this home page over here looks a little bit weirded out. That's a simple fix. I'll show you how to do it. You have to go to edit page. Then under template section, switch it to Elementor full width. And then click on update. When you have done that, open your website again. And it will be as intended or as you've seen in the demo. Okay. So that's how easy it is. And to fix the menu, it's pretty simple. It's doable from the WordPress customizer. So take a look at the like homepage we have over here a little bit. So let me scroll down. Then we're gonna like show you how to actually customize this one. So the entire page over here is also customizable via Elementor. I'm gonna show you that next one. Let's me show you like what we have in the customized section and then how you can like reset or like rearrange this menu. You can click on customize to like recreate or reorganize your menu. You can go to menus and then you can create like your here you will find like all of your menus. You can either create a new menu or you can choose any existing menu, get rid of the pages you don't need, then set it to primary. All right, so going back, and let's talk about all of the other customization options we have since we are here already. Site identity, so that's WordPress default one, you already know guys. And theme options over here in the heading settings, here we can create like a top bar like just before header over here as well. So if you type in like a email address or any text actually over here, uh, me type something. It will create a top bar over here just before the header, like this. And if you put down an email, a mobile number over here, okay, let's put down that. It will show that over here in just beside that in a similar fashion. All right. And if you want to show social icons right here, you can click on this button or like the checkbox, but for that you will need to have like a social menu already assigned to it from the menu section that we saw earlier. Okay. And if you want to show like a search icon in your menu, you can do that also from here, from this checkbox. So that's been the header. Let's check out the footer settings. In the footer, you can obviously customize the copyright text, whatever you like, or you can customize the sections over here, like the number of columns you want to display. So the default is 4 column. Choices are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 looks the best in my opinion, but feel free to customize it how you'd like. So these all suppose widgets. You can like also add widgets from the widget settings later on from the customized section. Let's talk about site layout. So over here you will be able to choose whether to use full width site layout or boxed site layout. That's like if you work with Bootstrap, then you will know like what I'm talking about, but feel free to give it a try. Then we have global sidebar settings. So by default it will be no sidebar, so your pages will have no sidebar by default if you unless strictly like set them. The default is no sidebar. The options are you can either show sidebar or you can do not show sidebar, like hide sidebar. When showing sidebar, you have options to either show it on the right or in the left. Okay. Then you have on the mobile side, we have an option where you can either show the content first or content at the top, or you can show the sidebar at the top. So the content first means content at the top, sidebar first means sidebar at the top. So whatever you desire, you can set it and click on publish. And then we can take a look at the typography. Over here you can set different fonts, different font sizes, like standard typography stuff, default colors that you can also set from here. Then let's say header image, you can set that from here. Background image that you can also set. Menus, what I was talking about, from here you can set like the social menu as well. So the theme supports 2 menu section right now. One is the header menu over here, the main menu, and 2 is the social menu. Okay, so social menu either will appear over here and in the footer. Okay, that's the menu section. Then widgets, WordPress standard widgets, you can either add to sidebar or in the footer. Then we have homepage settings. This is standard WordPress settings, whether to show like a static page or your latest blog post in the homepage, you can set that from here. In the comma section, you can either add a store notice, define whether to show it or not. Then you can add or change like product catalog settings, product image settings, checkout settings, etc. And then additional CSS. So from here you will be able to apply global CSS to entire website if you want, like if you want to override something. So that's doable via here. So I'm quitting the customizer. Next I'm going to show you how to customize this page over here with Elementor. Okay, so to get started, you can click on this edit with Elementor. And the motivation behind going with Elementor was to give our non-coding friends out there, like who are not compatible with coding, an out-of-the-box simple solution. So as you know, Elementor is a drag and drop site builder, no coding required. So everything you see on this homepage or the layout is customizable via Elementor. So drag and drop or click and edit. So everything will be editable. You can remove something, you can even add something, doesn't matter. Anything you like desire or imagine, you can do it via Elementor on this page. So everything is customizable to its core. Whenever you are done finishing editing, just remember to click on the update button over here and then preview your changes. So that's pretty much nicely wraps up this video, I believe. Let me know in the comment if you have any kind of confusions. I'll be sure to help you out in there. And until next time, I'm sure saying goodbye. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.